guys, what's up? So this is like my first time being in front of the camera. Instead I'm usually behind the camera. But basically I got invited to this tuning day. Go there, take some photos, got my camera with me, got a gimbal with me, gonna take some video. And I thought, why not start a YouTube channel? Gonna let this be my first YouTube video. See you there. I made it. Before I'm going in there, I thought I'd show you what I have in my camera bag. Well, yeah, basically camera, Sony a7 IV. On there is the Sony 7200 G Master f2.8, the newer version, the version 2 I think it is. In terms of lenses, I also have 24-70 from Sigma 2.8. Those are mainly my photography lenses. For filming, I also brought like the Tamron 20mm, I think, f2.8, yeah. That's from my dad, not actually mine, but for filming these are easier. And the Tamron, no, the Samyang 35mm 1.4, I think, yeah, 1.4. Those are my lenses. Gimbal, I think DJI Ronin SC, something like that. I have two ND filters right here from K&F Concept. They're not the best, but they're cheap and they're okay. Important for me is the polarizer. That's an expensive one from Polar Pro. And from Prism Lens I have a Dream filter, which is basically like a softening filter. Well, yeah, that's my camera bag. See you in there.
Ich habe nur ein Auto gesehen, was ist mit B30 los? Lass mal fliegen das Ding! Ja, los!
cocaine.
So that was that. During the drift show, I tried to film like a POV, but this thing just didn't film. Yeah, so here's some pics. A little too fast. Okay, slower. That's cringe. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Down below I'm leaving my Instagram if you want to check me out there. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, giving it a like maybe, this video. Every picture you saw is edited with my Lightroom presets. Also down below in the box, maybe give some feedback on this video in the comments down below. I would appreciate it really. Just comment whatever you like. Bye.